Hello all you wild and wonderful people. Thank you for tuning in to another day on the channel. We got sun out, we got beautiful skies, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to do a little work outside. The goal of today is going to be get all these clumps of grass out of here. I'm gonna mix in that seeding soil I was talking about in the previous video and just work the soil a little bit more, getting ready to plant. I'm gonna show you all the seeds today and they're growing by the day now. We've got new things sprouting up. Daily garden update, y'all. Ready for this? It was frosted this morning, so we've got about another 10 to 14 days. So we're gonna get the soil ready so that when the time comes, we can do that. Let's get to work. Alright y'all, this is what I was talking about. This is what I'm going to be using just to kind of get some nutrients in the soil. Just kind of give it a little jump start and a little boost. It looks like it's got some peat, some fertilizer. Looks like it'll be alright. And it's all organic, of course, because we're growing vegetables. As you can see, much better. Trying to get all those roots out, even if they look dried and dead. Yeah, basically I just wanted all the roots I can grab out of there. As you can see from that pile, there was actually a lot. Got it on the compost pile over there. We still got about another week or two before they go in the ground. Making progress, y'all. I'm gonna do 3 rows. As you can see, they're kind of makeshift right now, not very even, but that's the general design. And as I was putting tools away, I just noticed my next project. Like I told you, the wind's been blowing like crazy. So I will be grabbing a ladder, putting some shingles back in order. So fortunately, it just got rolled up underneath, as you can see, hopefully. No, it's probably dark. But so I'm gonna straighten those out. Looks like a very simple fix. Got some more stuff to done on the list today. Garden's coming along. Spring is coming along. Look at all this beautiful greenness. Won't be long, y'all. Won't be able to see through the woods anymore. Another good thing about doing all that groundwork by hand is I don't need to work out today. Anyway, as you can see, progress all around is being made here. Knocking out little projects left and right. Gonna get onto some bigger stuff soon. The seeds are growing. Super happy with the progress on that. Trying to do these videos every day. It takes a while to edit. Give me a break if I miss a day here and there, but I'm trying to keep the content flowing. So thanks for tuning in. Go after what you want and never quit.